channel Easy Geography. It's a collection of 10 most important questions from the topic People and Environment for India UGC NET paper 1, and it is the mock test 3. First question, the initiative to establish International Solar Alliance was jointly taken by the International Solar Alliance. Taken by options USA and India, France and India, Sweden and India, China and India. Firstly, the International Solar Alliance was signed by France and India. Option B. France and India, and it was on 13th November 2015. 13th November 2015, and now it is having 121 countries, and all these countries are in between, situated in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The second question, Montreal Protocol refers to options: cooperation among UN member countries to combat climate change. B. Phasing out of the consumption and production of ozone depleting substances. Option C. Ensuring environmental sustainability. D. Safeguarding societal quality of life worldwide. Montreal Protocol related to ozone depletion. Here the answer is option B. Phasing out of the consumption and production of ozone depleting substances. And it was agreed on 16th September 1987. Agreed on 16th September 1987. Entered into force on 1st January 1989. And 16th September is known as the Ozone Day. Next one, match list 1 with list 2. List 1 include important days and list 2 the dates. Important days: National Science Day, World Teachers Day, International Literacy Day, International Day of Girl Child. The National Science Day is on February 28. National Science Day, February 28. World Teachers Day on October 5, after 1 month of Indian Teachers Day. The Teachers Day in India is on September 5th. Then International Literacy Day is on September 8. International Day of Girl Child is on October 11. Okay. Identify the air pollutant in urban areas which irritates eye and also respiratory tract of human beings. The air pollutant in urban areas. Options: particulate matter, oxides of nitrogen, surface ozone, carbon monoxide. Air pollutant in urban areas that affect the health is option C, surface ozone. Next question, tides on the oceans are caused by tides. Options A, gravitational pull of moon on the earth surface including the seawater. Option B, gravitational pull of the sun on the earth surface only and not on the seawater. Option C, gravitational pull of the moon and the sun on earth surface including the seawater. Option D, gravitational pull of moon on seawater only. Tides, it is caused by the gravitational pull of moon and sun on earth surface and also the seawater. Option C is the correct answer. Next question, in the recently launched air quality index in India, which of the following pollutant is not included? The pollutant not included in the air quality index in India. Option: carbon monoxide, fine particulate matter, ozone, chlorofluorocarbon. Answer option D, chlorofluorocarbon. It is not included in the air quality index of India. Next one, in which of the countries per capita use of water is maximum? Per capita use of water is maximum in option USA, European Union, China, India. Here answer is European Union. If the question is about a single country, it is USA. European Union include 28 countries and more than 508 million people. And if the per capita use of water is maximum in USA, if the question is about say a single country. And it is very less in Mozambique, Ethiopia, etc. Next question, how many nuclear missions of Indian government are there to address the problem of climate change? The nuclear missions of India related to climate change are 6, 8, 12, 17. Answer is option B, 8. And the 8 missions will included in the description box. Next one, Kyoto Protocol is related to. Kyoto Protocol related to ozone depletion, hazardous waste, climate change, nuclear energy. And answer is option C. Kyoto Protocol relates to greenhouse gases emission and it leads to global warming and climate change. Kyoto Protocol related to climate change. Last question. Indian government's target of producing power from biomass by the year 2022. By the year 2022, the biomass production should be 50 gigawatt, 25 gigawatt, 15 gigawatt, 10 gigawatt. Answer is option D, 10 gigawatt. The total renewable energy production should be 175 gigawatt by the year 2022. 175 for renewable energy sources. And among these, 100 for solar energy, then 60 from wind power, 10 from biomass and 5 gigawatt from the hydropower. Here the 10 questions are over. Thanks for watching friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel.